Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Anna's channel, where pencils turn into magic wands. Today, we're diving into the most chaotic but adorable Christmas drawing ever. All right, let's start with our chilly little dude, the snowman. Snowmen are basically winter marshmallows stacked on top of each other. Now, the face. Two little eyes that say, "I've seen things." A carrot nose that looks suspiciously like my lunch, and a few buttons that may or may not have come from someone's coat. Add some stick arms like he's reaching out for a hug, or maybe your hot chocolate. There, one emotionally stable snowman for now. Next up, the Christmas bill. Let's draw the cute bow on top first. 2 loops, 1 knot in the middle, simple, elegant, basically the opposite of my hair in the morning. Then draw the main bell shape from left to right, make it curvy, classy, maybe a little dramatic. Add that little circle at the bottom. That's the part that goes ding ding every time you shake it. Slide a bit to the right and we'll draw a star wearing a Santa hat, because clearly even stars want to look cute for the holidays. Start with the hat, a fluffy edge, and a little ball at the end. Then draw the star under it. 5 points, like a school test you didn't study for but somehow passed. Inside the star, give it 2 adorable eyes and a happy little mouth. This star smiling like it just got 5 new followers on TikTok. Okay, let's move on to the candy cane. Start with the bow, make it big and dramatic. Bows are like the Christmas version of saying, "Look at me." Now draw that curved candy cane behind it, basically a J shape, like how I say Jesus every time I forget my Christmas shopping list. Add some stripes across it. Red, white, classic fashion. If this candy cane could talk, it'd say, "I'm sweet, I'm spicy, and I stick to your teeth for 3 days. Next, the gingerbread man. Start with the head, round and cute, like a little cookie that dreams big. Then draw the arms spread out like he's ready to hug or run away from the oven. Add the legs, 2 stubby little ones, perfect for escaping snack time. Now draw his face, 2 eyes and a smile that says, "I know I'm delicious." Add the bow tie because every cookie deserves to be fancy. And top it off with a Santa hat, because why not? There we go, one handsome gingerbread man ready to cause chaos in your Christmas dessert plate. And finally, the star of the show, the Christmas tree. Start with the star on the top. That's like the crown because this tree is royalty. Now draw 3 layers of tree branches, each one getting wider as you go down. Basically, it's a triangle that went to the gym. Add the trunk below because every queen needs support. Now for the fun part, decorations. Add ornaments, a shiny ribbon, maybe even a few light bulbs that look suspiciously like gumdrops. Boom, done. Our tree is giving main character energy. Look at that. We've got the full Christmas squad: snowman, bell, star, candy cane, cookie man, and tree. Now it's coloring time. Grab your crayons, markers, or that one broken colored pencil you refuse to throw away. First, color the snowman. Use light blue around the edges to give him that chilly glow, like he just walked out of a snowstorm photo shoot. Color his hat bright red because red makes everything festive. Give his scarf a nice green stripe. We love a coordinated outfit. And color the carrot nose orange because yes, some cliches are just too cute to skip. Boom, our snowman is fresher than your iced coffee. Next, the bell. Color it golden yellow like it just got sponsored by sunlight. The bow can be orange or red, something bold, something dramatic. Add a little white highlight on the side so it looks shiny enough to blind your ex. Beautiful. The bell is ready to slay. Literally. Now, the star. Color it yellow and make it glow like your phone screen at 3 a.m. red hat on top, white fluffy edge, and if you're feeling extra, give it blush cheeks. This star is basically the definition of cute but chaotic. Now, time for some fun facts, or as I like to call them, random things to sound smart at Christmas dinner. First up, the snowman. Did you know the first recorded snowman was built in the 1300s? That means people were freezing their hands off for fun way before we had Netflix. Some of them made snowmen taller than houses. Talk about commitment. Meanwhile, I can't even finish a snowball fight without crying from the cold. Next, the bell. Christmas bells were once used to scare away evil spirits. So technically, every time you hear jingle bells, you're hearing an ancient anti-ghost device. Candy cane time. Go wild with red and white stripes. Classic and classy. Make the bow bright red because candy without drama is just sugar. If candy canes had a dating profile, it'd say sweet, stylish, slightly sticky. It was invented in Germany over 300 years ago. Originally, it was just a straight white stick, no personality. Then someone said, what if we bend it? And bam, candy cane. The red stripes came later, symbolizing love and joy. Now, the gingerbread man. Color him brown, warm and toasty, like a cookie fresh from the oven. His bow tie can be red because he's a cookie with confidence. Buttons, make him colorful, he's got personality. And of course, red Santa hat because fashion never sleeps. This gingerbread man looks like he's about to drop his first Christmas mixtape. This legend started with Queen Elizabeth I, who had cookies shaped like her guests. Imagine being served your own face at a party. That's a whole new level of weird. But people loved it, and now we bake gingerbread men every Christmas. They're cute, tasty, and honestly too innocent for what we do to them. And finally, the Christmas tree. Use deep green for the leaves, brown for the trunk, and bright yellow for the star. Add ornaments in every color, red, blue, purple, pink. Let it look like Christmas exploded in style. Color the ribbon golden and give the tree all the sparkle it deserves. And there we go. Our masterpiece is done. Honestly, if this picture doesn't scream Merry Christmas, I don't know what does. Started in Germany about 500 years ago. People used to decorate trees with apples and candles, which sounds, inflammable. Now we use lights and ornaments because we've learned a few things since then. The evergreen tree stands for life and hope that never fade, even when your Wi-Fi does. And that's it. Our Christmas crew looks amazing, we've learned some wild facts, and we've probably burned 5 calories laughing. Look at this. The snowman, the bell, the star, the candy cane, the cookie man, and the tree. All chilling together like the ultimate Christmas squad. If you had fun drawing with me today, hit that like button before the snowman melts, subscribe so you don't miss the next art chaos, and share this video with someone who needs a little holiday joy. You guys did awesome today. Merry Christmas, stay cozy, stay funny, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and remember, don't eat your art supplies.